Good morning children, welcome to the GK session. In the last class we have seen up to page number 12. Today we are going to see from page number 13. Page number 13, take your GK reader, page number 13. In this page we are going to see about science and us, about ourselves. See, write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. First one, a child's heart beats faster than an adult's. A child's heart beats faster than an adult's. Yes, it is true, children. So put T in the first box. Second one, we should not drink plenty of water. Second one, we should not drink plenty of water. It is false because we have to drink plenty of water to remain healthy. So you have to put F in the second box. Third one, people start shrinking a little after they cross the age of 40. People start shrinking a little after they cross the age of 40. So it is true. When they become old, they will become shrink, little shrinker. So it is put 2 in the T in the third box. Fourth one, the left half of our brain controls the right side of the body and the right half of our brain controls the left side of the body. Yes, it is true. So put T in the fourth box, fourth one also. Fifth one, nerves carry messages from the brain to other parts of the body. Yes, it is true. Nerves carry messages from brain to other parts of our body. It is true. So, fifth one is also true. Sixth one, most people have 12 pairs of ribs. Most people have 12 pairs of ribs. Yes, it is true. So, sixth one is also true. Seventh one, we have 2 kidneys but we can survive even if only one of them works well. Yes, we have 2 kidneys but we can survive with only one. If one gets damaged also, we can survive in this world with another kidney. So it is true for the seventh one also. Eighth one, a child who is weak and sickly because he or she does not eat the right kind of food is said to be undernourished. See children, some children in our country, they are weak because they don't get right amount of food to eat. So that kind of children are said to be undernourished. So it is true for eighth one. Ninth one, our strength and speed will be at its maximum when we are in our 20s. 20s means from at the age of 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 till 29, only our strength and speed will be at its maximum. So it is true for the ninth one. 10th one, the tongue is the only muscle that is not attached at both the ends. All other muscles are both the sides, they are attached. Only tongue is the only muscle that is not attached at both ends. So it is true for 10th one. 11th one, in an adult human body there are about 45 liters of blood and 5 liters of water. No, it is false because it is quite opposite. In our body there are 5 liters of blood and 45 liters of water. So water is the maximum content in our body. So it is false. Okay children, see children, in your checklist you will be getting when you collect the notebooks. In the checklist you see what notebook you have to use for GK. I think it is 80 pages note. Okay, 80 pages note. Take a notebook or school notebook and put one notebook for GK and you can maintain these things. Okay, see in your own find out book, make a list like this. Write the organ or part of a body and write for what purpose they are helping us. Okay, for example, brain is for thinking purpose, lungs is for breathing purpose. So like that you can make many list like this. Okay children, so you have to follow it. Now let's move on to the next page. An old painting. Okay, now we are going to do look, think and answer. Look, think and answer from the old painting. Okay, Professor Dat, an archaeologist, found this picture in a 3000-year-old tomb. He did not believe it was an old picture. Second line, children. He knew his friends were playing a trick on him. Spot at least 5 things that should not have in this picture. Cross them out. See, children, actually this picture is found out by an archaeologist. Archaeologist means the person who studies a period of history by examining the remains of old buildings and the objects found in them. Okay, so an archaeologist found this picture. It is a 3000-year-old tomb. From 3000-old-year tomb you have, but some things in this picture are not related to this picture, so you have to find and cross out them. See what and all you can find in this. See, this 3 men are there, no, 3 men, and here also you can find some pictures. So see, it is a 3000-old-year tomb. So during that old years, we people won't use these things, no, car, TV and all. So you have to cross out which and all not used during that period of time. See, first take this man. See his head, it is okay, but in the olden days they people not used to put t-shirts, so cross out the t-shirt, and they don't used to put socks or shoes. So these things you have to cut out. See here, in the olden period there are no dinosaurs. Okay, there are no flying dinosaurs because they became extinct before that itself. So you have to cross that. And there we never used to use cars during that time. Aeroplanes, cycles, trains, cell phones, TV and all not found out during that time. So these things you have to cross out.